Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to modify or delete any purchase entry in VT software. So this is the basic interface where whatever entry we have made will appear here. Okay. So this is reference number, means invoice number. This is primary account and this is first analysis account. And as of now we have two suppliers. As you can see, we have two suppliers, supplier 001 and 002. Now if I click on any reference number, I'll get the journal entry of that particular reference number. If I click on supplier account, then I'll get the details according to the supplier. If I click on analysis account, then I'll get the details as per ledger as well as sub ledger. Now to edit a transaction, we'll click on a particular reference number. Okay. So this is the journal entry associated with that particular reference number. We can also make change from here. We can select any reference number. Okay. Now after selecting any reference number, I click on edit transaction. This is the basic details which I can change, like invoice number and dates. And this is the main contents like ledgers as well as numericals. Okay. This is input related ledger. This is purchase related ledger. Now suppose I am going to transfer entry from purchase to audit fees and OK. Now you can see my entry has been transferred from purchase to audit fees on just one click. Now again I am going to edit this transaction and this time I am going to change the numerical. So I am going to change the gross value from 2400 to 3600 and my weight amount is 600. So my net value would be automatically calculated. It is 3000. Okay. As you can see, my entry has been changed. 3600. Now to delete any transaction, I'll click on a specific transaction and just click delete transaction, delete selected transaction. And if you click on contents, then you will find the journal entries associated with that particular reference number and just click OK. Your transaction will be removed. As you can see, my 3600 means purchase number 2 has been deleted. Now if I click on supplier, you can see only one supplier with a -1200 and another with a 0 value. So these are you can edit the transaction as well as delete the transaction in VT accounts. So this is for today. Thanks for watching, and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.